Dr. Eicher.
And I'm Dr. Patterson.
Lately, we have had many questions about cloning.
So we decided to ask a variety of people from the public.
A variety of people. Now we are in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where we have found a local Amish woman, Martha Yoder, to ask her what she thinks cloning is. So Martha, what is cloning?
It's the devil's practice.
Alright.
Well, now we're hungry, so we decided to stop at the local Domino's for a bite to eat.
One large cheese pizza, please.
Here's your cheese pizza
Thank
that you
you.
ordered. So what brings you to Lancaster with that fancy video camera?
Oh, you noticed? Well, actually, we're going around asking what people think cloning is.
Oh, cloning? Isn't that when those men use too much Axe? Ooh, I hate that.
And on our way home, we noticed a local homeless lady.
We'll see what she thinks cloning is. Excuse me.
Wake up.
Do you know what cloning is, perchance?
I don't have a home, let alone the internet. How much do you think I care? Now get away from my house.
Here's a pizza. Now we are in an unnamed country, for certain reasons, asking a young lady what she thinks of cloning.
So, what do you think is cloning? Alright. Now we have traveled all the way to the North Pole to see what one of Santa's favorite elves think.
So what do you think cloning is?
The best way to spread Christmas cheer is cloning our elves every year.
Now we have traveled back to Canal Fulton to ask two local sisters.
Excuse me, there's 3 sisters in this house.
Go die.
What they think cloning is. So, Elizabeth, what do you think cloning is?
I think they're doing up in Cleveland somewhere. I think they're cloning the LeBron kid, maybe?
Maybe. What?
No.
Is that it? What about you?
Death.
Why does no one ask me these questions? I've been studying for my college entrance exams for 5 years, since I was in 8th grade. I can give you the real answer of what cloning is.
Alright.
I just studied it. Cloning is the technique of producing a genetically identical copy of an organism by replacing the nucleus of the unfertilized ovum with the nucleus of a body cell from the organism. And I can tell you the first thing that was cloned. It was Dolly the sheep in 1997.
We found the answer!
Finally!
Finally, someone knows what they're talking about. No offense.
You always ask the third sister.
Okay. We have flown our newfound friends back to Canal Fulton.
Now we're going to see if they agree with cloning or not, or if they think it is unethical. So, Martha, what do you think?
Well, does cloning include technology?
Yeah.
Well, technology is from Lucifer, so I say no!
Wait, can we just clear this up for a second? Is this coloning or cologne?
Next. Sarah? Sarah, what do you think about cloning? Next. What do you think? Okay.
I love cloning. More elves, more toys.
Do you sisters believe cloning is acceptable or unethical?
Well, I guess if it makes our basketball team better, we get another LeBron, I'm down.
I don't care. As you can see, cloning is a very controversial topic, and many people have different views on it.
Currently, we both agree with cloning.
We feel it's right, for if you use it in the right reasons.
Yeah.
You're having another meeting and you didn't invite me? I'm the one with all of the right answers. I just studied cloning in my college prep class.
Oh,
Okay.
So do you want to ask me the question?
So, Sadie, do you think cloning is acceptable or do you think it is unethical?
Oh, well, I just had a debate about this in my ethics class the other day.
Oh.
I've come to the conclusion that with the advancement and expansion of technology, science has been able to achieve new wonders.
Oh.
These improvements and discoveries in science have allowed the human race to explore and learn things about the world. One such phenomenon is cloning. Cloning has opened the doors to explore human beings in a way that was once never possible. With cloning, the human body, as well as other organisms, will be studied. Cloning and genetic engineering will both come into play to improve scientific knowledge.
Good.
That's cool.
See this cat right here?
Yes.
I can clone it.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want to show us how?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, now that they asked me for my advice, finally, here we are at my cloning machine. Now, the first step to cloning is to take your animal or organism and to make sure that they're okay, that they're not nervous, and then you open the machine and you put the substance in the machine. Note, in goes one cat. Now we start the timer. And we press certain numbers for how many animals you want. We chose 2 animals. But that means only 1 clone because 1 animal is currently in the machine. And now we wait.
Okay.
And woohoo! 2 animals!
Sneaky number 1.
I knew I was right.
It's real. As you can see, she's very healthy and active and alive and well.
I told you cloning works.